Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the something went wrong problem in YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically this error is just simply some little bugs in or some little problem. Only having a stable connection would normally fix the problem. So the first thing to check is to have a stable internet connection, and you can try it in other devices with the same network and see if you have problems with your shorts or with videos in general in the YouTube app. After that, if the problem still persists, that means that you have some caching problem and really some conflicts in the app. So simply you can go to the settings, and after that you will need just to go to the app and search for the YouTube app, and then you will go to the storage and you will need to clear the cache of the app. And normally that should also work and fix the problem. If the problem persists within your shorts, that means that it starts to be maybe a problem with the app itself, and that means that the application should add or should release some updates for the application. And basically for that, you will need just to go to the Play Store, and after that, you will need to start updating your YouTube app. So you can simply go to Play Store, search for YouTube app, and see if you are using the latest version or if there is any updates option here. So simply those are the tips or the ways that you can try so you can troubleshoot this problem. And basically those are the steps on how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.